drinking heavily before she got on the plane.
What she have? What she have? Nothing. You have. I killed someone. I killed someone. I was studying in the hospital. Take it to her.
What happens when a private citizen restrains a passenger at 30 feet? Who holds legal authority? Who bears liability when something goes wrong? This case puts all three questions directly to the test.
What's going on?
Yeah, very quickly, about 2 hours ago, we had one of our customers who became quite belligerent and physical with us. She would not calm down. We detected she's been drinking heavily before she got on the plane. That we didn't detect until about 2 hours ago. We're suspecting there's other medication that she's been using, and so she became very physical. We did have to restrain her. We did use the flex cuffs.
Did anyone get hit or anything?
No, she pushed me a few times and grabbed us and grabbed our legs a few times. But we did put flex cuffs on her. She is
All in the back?
All in the back.
I'm going to need to talk to you later on.
Okay.
But let's just go back there and we'll let everybody disembark. We'll have her stay on the plane till everybody gets
Oh, you want everyone off?
Everybody wants to talk first? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand how. Because it's bullshit America. What she have? What she have? Nothing. You have.
Everybody go. Let them go.
You have.
How do you, ma'am?
Nah, good.
Yeah.
Can
Do
you
you
open?
speak English?
No, yes, I speak.
My
Can
name
you
is
open?
Deputy
Because
Hall.
I don't have. I'm not too. Please
What's
open.
your name?
I open. It's very short. Anastasia. Anastasia Rudna. Yes.
I need you to take
Oh
a
my
deep
God.
breath for me.
Open. I know. No. I
anything
cannot
to cut
feel
them
my
off.
arm. Please open my arm. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my arm. I.
Actually quite normal.
Yes. Open. I ask you open. I ask you open. I have sued you. I am American. I don't know any. I am sued. Yes, you can check. I'm American. I sued. Open the arm. I not feel. No, I am not feel my arm. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not feel my arm. I'm not feel my arm.
All right, people, y'all can get up and get your stuff and get off the plane.
Yes, I killed someone. I killed someone.
Thank you all very much.
I killed someone. I killed someone. Hey, you relax. I say to you, oh my God, I'm not feeling my arm. I'm not feeling my arm. I'm American woman. Open my arm. I cannot feel. Can you excuse me? Can someone listen to me, please?
You want to get out?
I'm American. Why did you come to be American? You don't want to listen to me.
And,
Yeah, they asked her no. Why did you come to be American? You don't want to listen to me. And no one help to me. I don't feel my arm.
Trading the code. We moved her back there. We had to handcuff her.
the whole time.
5 hours.
Well,
From what you
first thing started
ascertained.
with, she came on. We gave her 2 drinks. She was fine. She was talking to us. She seems normal. She went up to her bag, got some stuff out of her bag, came back here. She was talking. I went up, walked there. She was talking to the number 3, to Susan. And I don't know if she went into the bathroom or not. I can't confirm that, but
Something
then she started to get loud. Yeah, she started to get loud. So we tried to quiet her down. Then the seatbelt's on us, so we set her back to the seat.
How long was you for?
A couple minutes later, the lady right there, 27, Delta came back and said that she was putting her arms on, putting her hands on her daughter, I think it's her daughter, in 25. I don't know how true that is. I didn't see it. So then I went over to talk to her. So I told her to come back. And she just started getting louder and louder.
I don't have shoes. What did someone say she took a drink somewhere else?
Oh, yeah. And then, well, what I got from her when she talked to her was that
Oh, no,
the only thing that she said was she had before was that she was in the airport and some guy got her a drink.
Yeah.
And she said that's all she had before she got aboard.
Oh!
She took any medication. She said no.
I'm a Russian spy! Oh, kill me! I was proud of Trump! Пидорас, you, блядь! I was not for Trump, and you пидорас, блядь! What? What? What the f***? Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. I'm American, take it off. I'm American, take it off. Take it off. I'm American, everything in my phone. Everything in my phone.
The next thing is tasing if you kick. Okay? I don't want to hurt you. So just stay calm. The only reason we put this on because you were spitting, okay?
Take it off, take it off.
We're going to take it off in the
I
hospital,
cannot breathe,
okay?
I cannot breathe.
You're not thinking
I
clearly right
cannot
now.
breathe.
Just calm
I
down.
cannot breathe. Take it off. Take it off. I cannot breathe.
Come on, bro.
I said. Okay,
Everything
take
is
me
fine.
back.
No one's trying to hurt you.
Okay, take it
gonna
off.
take it to the
Take
hospital.
it off.
You get
I
some
was
help.
in hospital. I was studying in hospital. Take it off. Take it off. I was studying hospital here too. Take it off. I said. Take it off. I say. America, take it off, блядь, педрила, блядь. Take it off, I say. I was studying here in medical school. Take it off. Take it off. I said take it off. Take it off. I won't breathe. I won't breathe.
We're going to take you to the hospital. You're going to get some help, okay?
Yes. Take it off. I won't breathe.
calmer
I
you
won't
stay,
breathe. I won't
the
breathe.
safer
I
all of
won't
us are,
breathe.
okay?
Take it off.
You tried to
I
spit.
will
I'm
have
sorry.
now issue.
You tried to spit.
I know.
It's
I go to my nephew.
only
I
a
want
spit
to
mask.
get my
It's
nephew.
gonna hurt you, all right? You're
Never
not
do
thinking
the
clearly
contact.
right now. Everything is fine.
Take
You're
it
gonna
off.
see some nice
Take
doctors.
it off. Take it
And they're
off.
gonna
Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off. I do everything for America. Take it off.
You're not thinking clearly
I
right
said, take it off. I come to for my blood nephew. He have my blood birthday. My nephew. My nephew have birthday. What the? What the?
Anastasia.
No, yes.
Gonna walk out?
Yes.
Sure.
I am American. What do you want? I am proud to be American. I am American. I'm proud to be American. I'm proud to be American. I hate Russia. You can read my message. I'm proud to be American. You can read my own message. I am American.
You gonna walk, Anastasia? Thank you. All right. We're gonna walk out, okay?
Where is my stuff?
We're gonna, your purse and stuff is right here. You see the purse? We're gonna grab your bag. Come on, turn back around. Turn back around.
Can you give
We're gonna get everything.
No, can you give me a little space?
We're gonna give you everything.
I cannot feel my arm. Please. Please. I am not feel my arm. Really. I cannot.
Okay, come on. Let's walk.
Oh my God, I love America. You can see my arm.
Guys, close the cockpit.
I'm here. I'm proud to be here.
I want you to close
I
the
love
cockpit
you.
door.
Can see it.
Almost there.
I voted for Trump.
It's okay.
No, it doesn't kill
Back
me.
Keep walking. It's
over
okay.
for DEF.
Okay, kill me.
Your bag's up front, okay?
You kill me. Say my nephew, I love him so much. Okay, kill me. America. Oh my God.
Watch it.
Can you open? Why we cannot breathe? Can you open a little?
No, I'm sorry, Anastasia.
No.
It's gonna stay on until we get to the hospital.
Hold on, we'll get it.
No, why?
We'll get downstairs.
No, listen. I come here. Was working so proud. Man, what the f***? What? To be in the jail now? Thank you, God. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, everything. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, God.
Nobody was doing
No, I couldn't get to it. I'm trying to get on. You're a criminal area, sir. You're a little big.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I was right
I do too much.
Right. So I had to clean all my stuff out. I'm like, this probably gonna be a bad one. Did I make it without her falling? Nah, I don't know.
Probably not.
Come on, Estelle.
You know that one.
It's just got Come on, Estelle.
You won't kill me. But how is it? No. Ow! Oh! You won't kill me.
Yeah. Seat's clear.
Okay, so
I just cleared it up before I came in.
Can you open little bit? Ow!
Pat her down.
Oh!
Yeah, you have.
Ow!
Come on.
Ow! I'm alone.
She's not under arrest. Let me get.
This incident sits at the intersection of three distinct legal frameworks: federal aviation law, Florida criminal statute, and constitutional duty of care. I'm telling you to understand all three means missing where the real legal exposure lies. Under 14 CFR section 91.11, flight crew members are not merely permitted to restrain a disruptive passenger. They are legally obligated to protect the safety of the aircraft. This authority does not require law enforcement presence or prior approval. 49 U.S.C. section 46,318 classifies physical assault on or interference with a flight crew member as a federal felony carrying up to 20 years imprisonment. Pushing and grabbing flight attendants satisfies the elements of this statute independent of any state charge. FAA advisory standards require periodic circulatory monitoring of any passenger in physical restraints. And consistent complaints of numbness indicate radial nerve compression, a recognized medical emergency. Failure to monitor is not a procedural gap. It is a breach of duty with civil liability consequences. Estelle v. Gamble, 429 U.S. 97, 1000. 976, established that once the government assumes custody, a constitutional obligation to address serious medical needs attaches immediately. A loss of sensation in a restrained limb qualifies as a serious medical need under this standard. Graham v. Connor, and 490 U.S. 386, 1000. 989 requires that all uses of force be evaluated under the objective reasonableness standard from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight or information learned afterward. Florida Statute 856.11, disorderly intoxication, requires three elements: intoxication, occurrence in a public conveyance, either endangerment of another's safety or a public disturbance. An aircraft cabin qualifies as a public conveyance. The evidentiary threshold for this charge is not demanding. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1000. 987 held that verbal expressions, including provocative or profane statements directed at officers, are protected under the First Amendment. Verbal conduct alone, without accompanying physical action, cannot independently justify force. Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 239, 1000. 983 extended the medical duty of care to all persons held in law enforcement custody, regardless of whether charges have been filed. Transport to a hospital rather than a detention facility was the constitutionally required response. Key lesson. So, an authorization to restrain does not authorize indefinite restraint without monitoring. Criminal charges address the subject's conduct. Civil liability addresses the institution's conduct. These are two separate legal tracks that run simultaneously from the same incident. The deeper questions here remain unanswered. Was the neurovascular complaint documented during the flight? Did the airline fulfill its duty of care in the hours before deputies arrived? Were federal charges under 49 U.S.C. 46,000. 318 considered. If not, why not? A misdemeanor disorderly intoxication charge may be where this case ends in criminal court, but criminal resolution does not extinguish civil exposure for the airline. It does not answer whether every constitutional obligation was met once law enforcement took custody. And what the body cam captures is the moment deputies arrived. What it does not show is what was documented, what was decided, and what was ignored in the hours before. Those are the facts that will determine whether this incident stays a misdemeanor or becomes something more. The full legal breakdown and the grading of every party and the civil liability analysis are covered in the complete video. The outcome may surprise you.